Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have learned some properties of real numbers according to the addition law. Now, we will learn the multiplication laws. And the multiplication laws, the first property is closure law with respect to multiplication. Closure law says that if you take any two numbers from the real line, then their product will also be in the real number. This means A dot B, which is equals to AB. Okay, this is the closure property with respect to multiplication. Closure property says that take any two numbers from the real line, then multiply these two numbers. The answer will again a number of real line. Then you can say that the closure property holds in the real line with respect to the multiplication. We learned already that the closure law with respect to addition. What is the closure law with respect to addition? Closure law with respect to addition says that if you take any two numbers from the real line, then their addition also belongs to the real line. Okay, this is the closure property with respect to addition, and this is the with respect to multiplication. This is the first property of the multiplication laws. And the second property is associative law for multiplication. What the associative law says that? Associative law says if you take any three numbers from the real line, if you multiply second and third first, then with first digit, then with first number, or you multiply the first and second first and then the third number, the answer will be the same. This is the associative property with respect to multiplication. We know that the associative property with respect to addition says that if you take any three numbers from the real line, you add three numbers, you start second and third first, you add second and third first, then the first number, or you add first and second firstly and then the third number, the answer will be the same. This is the associative law with respect to addition, but this is the associative law with respect to multiplication, and this is the second property. So associative property is hold for the real numbers. Now the third property is multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity says that take any number from the real line, there should be a number, there exists a number 1 belongs to real line, such that if you multiply this number with 1 or 1 with this number, the answer will be the same, the answer will be that number. This is the multiplicative identity, because 1 is a digit by which you multiply any number, there is no difference between and after the multiplication. So this is the multiplicative identity with respect to multiplicative identity or identity with respect to the multiplication. In additive identity, we have learned that for all a belongs to real line, it means that you take a number from the real line. There exists 0 belongs to real line such that you add 0 in this number or this number in 0. There is no difference after or before the addition. The number will be the same. Okay, this is the this is the additive identity, and this is the third property with respect to multiplicative. The properties are very simple, so don't mix it, don't cram these properties, only understand these. The fourth property is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse property says that you take a non-zero number from real line, then there exists its inverse in the real line such that you multiply a by this inverse or this inverse multiplied by a, the answer will be the additive, the answer will be the multiplicative identity, which is 1. Okay, because a inverse is equals to 1 by a, which is equals to 1 by a multiplied by a cancel with this, so this is equals to 1. So that's why we are saying that if you take any a non-zero number from the real line, there exists its reciprocal, its inverse in the real line, such that if you multiply this number with the inverse, you get the multiplicative identity. So this is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, this is the fourth property of the multiplication laws. And the last property is commutative law of multiplication. And commutative law of multiplication says that take any two number from the real line. If you multiply by first with second or second with first, there is no difference, the answer will be the same, and this is the commutative property. Okay, so our multiplicative laws are complete. In our last video we have learned the additive laws. Now we have learned the multiplicative laws, and this is the commutative law of multiplication. Commutative law of addition was says that if you take any two numbers from the real line, you add these numbers, the a plus b or b plus a, the answer will be the same, and this is the commutative property with respect to addition. Okay, so our multiplicative laws are complete. Inshallah, in our next video we learn multiplication and addition laws and properties of inequalities. So watch my next video. Allah Hafiz.